I'm Leslie Taylor, principal of Wiley International Studies Magnet School, and I'm here today with our team for our new building project.
Ronnie Scott with Wake County Public Schools, project manager.
Mete Gurel with Gurel Architecture, architect.
Paul Perone, project manager for Gilbane Building Company.
Hi, this is the renovations and additions project for Wiley Elementary School. The original building, 1923, is approximately 45,000 square feet, and 2001 classroom addition is again approximately 15,000 square feet. And under this addition, we are adding 40,000 square feet, two-story building to the campus. The total is going to be approximately 100,000 square feet.
So Leslie, this is our 3-week look-ahead activity list. We're really focusing heavily on our exterior landscaping, site grading, and as we really come into the building, our painting, our drywall, and really getting ready for the finishes for your staff and students.
Sounds great, we can't wait.
The parking has been moved alongside the college place, so there's going to be a longer or more convenient queue line, and the entrance to the main building is going to be, the main entrance is going to be from the new addition at this location.
Over to the right, we have our new parking lot, and then behind me to the left is the new entrance to the building.
This is the second floor plan of the whole campus. 1923 building, 2001 addition, and our new construction that we are adding currently.
As you enter the main entrance, you'll come into the vestibule area, and then off the vestibule is our new administrative suite.
New addition, we have administration area and the new media center overlooking the central courtyard. And again, around the courtyard, there are interior corridors, both first and second floor, tying all three buildings together.
Now we're in the media center. It looks dark now, but soon there'll be tons of natural light from the windows over to my left. And then we have a storage area over to my right.
And new addition classrooms, magnet classrooms up here. And most of the classrooms in 2001 building remained intact. In 1923, we removed the administration from that, and all three floors are restored back to its original classrooms.
This is one of our new magnet classrooms, and this classroom is quite unique in that it has a view of the cafeteria downstairs, which we'll see in a minute, and in the background of this classroom, you'll see the skyline of Raleigh.
The new dining room is going to be approximately two-story space, surrounded on three sides by a curtain wall, full glass, about 20 feet high. One advantage of this is when you're in the dining room, not only you can have views, the original oak trees, but you can have the facade. You can view the facade of the 1923 building from interior, from bottom to top.
The new addition affords a space for exterior eating as well. And now let's take a look inside the new dining area, where you'll see spacious dining facility with tons of natural light and glass.
The auditorium itself, we have new platforms. It is still going to be used occasionally as an auditorium, but it is designated as learning commons for typical use.
We're currently in the 1923 building, and we're in the auditorium. I'm standing in the balcony now, looking out onto the stage area.
This is the auditorium of 1923 building, which was being used as a media center. Since we moved the media center to new addition, this area is converted to learning commons, basically tables and chairs for collaborative work, and occasionally when it is needed, with chairs, converting it to an auditorium.
Now we're in one of the classrooms of the 1923 building, where one of the features is the restored hardwoods, the high ceilings, and the tall windows.
This is a typical elevation or elevations. of the 1923 building classrooms. Although we said we are restoring 1923 classrooms to original state, we did not compromise on the technology and services to these classrooms. So these classrooms are going to be just as modern as the new edition classrooms. We will have a new teaching space with a flat panel TV. We have 2 levels of ceiling so that we can have the full height of the windows exposed. And as a lighting fixture, we have direct, indirect light fixtures suspended from the ceiling to provide a better lighting solution. And apart from that, technology, security, safety, it is equal to the new classrooms.
Thanks for joining us on our tour. We're excited to move back in April of 2020.